In this video, I'm going to show you how I install these soft close drawer slides on this cabinet that I'm working on. So the first thing I do is I take two identical scrap pieces of wood, cut them to the same length, set my drawer slide on there, and screw the drawer slide in. And I didn't film it, but basically you take those scrap pieces, set them on the other side, and you get your drawer slide set up at the exact same height on both sides. Then I'll take two more pieces of scrap and set them on the inside of the cabinet and set my drawer box on there. I'll use my combination square to make sure that the slides are set back the same amount on each side. I put one screw on each side to make sure that it's fitting okay, and then I will put the rest of the screws in. It'll have 3 screws on each side. Remove your scrap pieces that you set the drawer on, and boom, slide's perfect.